For the other side. So we take those two off and then the back one in there.
And then the two on the three on top, and then that should be it.
That's kind of like easy.
Yeah. No, the back are even easier.
How much do they charge for this?
Bro, like probably like what, like two to $300. Like,
Okay.
To the floor, yeah.
Yeah.
So I had to.
So here's the old suspension, big, raggedy, old and heavy, and here it is, the newest.
Tein Flex Z.
Yeah.
What if it's like too low?
3/4. All right, then that means we just get 7/8 in this. There you go.
Alright, there.
That's good.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna get the bolt.
Wait, can you check if it's right there? I don't know if it's too low or too high though.
All right, there. Iron more?
No. That's perfect.
You were able to put it in?
Yeah.
That's true.
Well, nah. It feels like it went in crooked. Is that how yours felt too?
Yeah.
How'd you get it in there? You just kept.
I just, bro.
It's in there right now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Who? There it is. Bro. And what about this? Armando, is this supposed to drop down? Like
Yep.
this will?
Yeah. Look, right now, this is gonna drop down. That look.
Here.
There you go.
Armando, look, that's. Is the spring still in here, dude?
You see?
Look at it. It's like free.
Oh, no. No, we're gonna have to close that down, bro.
Keep going. Watch your fingers. Is it enough?
Watch your fingers. Alright, so on the bottom one, there's two entrances. Which one?
So for the lower control arm is out. The lower control one goes on the one that's out. This is this one.
This one.
Yeah. I'm gonna put this in too.
Are you ready?
Go. Go. More. Yep. Go. Push it a little bit. Can you lift it up more now? No? Alright, hold on.
I can't get this in here. Why not?
There you go. You got it. You got it. Let go. Let go. Woo. Teamwork.
Hey, can I see that other wrench so I can hold it down?
Push it in.
Hey, these got to be so tight, right, Mondo?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, let it go. Drop it. A little bit. I think we need to loosen those.
The top ones?
Yeah.
Oh, slow. Can you loosen those top ones?
It's not gonna go. This thing needs to go out. The push. Can you pull it out?
Para afuera?
Yeah, poquito. Oh, yeah, there you go. There you go. Oh, cool.
Ahí estamos.
No, this is gonna meet here.
That's what we're doing, huh?
Yeah.
This wasn't supposed to move?
No.
Alright, fresh.
Well, you could do it that way, but this is an easier way.
Oh, hell yeah. You said this part is gonna go down,
Yeah.
right? So I gotta measure from here to here.
You see that shit lowering?